Guys, we're at a house and we found a bunch of kittens that are super cute and we don't know, but they're really cute. There's the mom right there. And there's another mom around here. Look at him. Look at him.
Hold on, I'll record a video to go on YouTube.
Yeah, do. Or,
No. We need all kittens.
Yeah, and my sister is helping too. And we keep hearing like cats in the trees and stuff. We don't know what it is. Just yeah. Oh, you found Duke? Oh, and there's Duke behind there. He's a cute cat. Try and get him. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, he's got him.
In the middle.
His eyes are blue. I got him.
Okay, good.
And
There's Duke.
Can you show him on my camera?
Here's Duke right here. He's so cute.
Fun.
He's a boy.
Cute.
Okay. And then we have Twix. She is the most adorablest kitty in the world. And if she doesn't get adopted, she's going to be mine. And then
if Mom allows us.
Sprinkles. Sprinkles is a girl as well. She is super adorable. Again, Duke's trying to escape. Okay, then we have 3 black ones.
What are you talking about?
This one is Spark. Spark is a girl. Wait, Spark is a boy. Spark is a boy, and then we have look at there. This one is this one's not. We don't have a name for this one yet. I'm thinking Shadow for this one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, then
Yeah, let's name it Shadow.
Okay, and Shadow's gonna escape, and then he's a boy also. Wait, no, Shadow's a girl. This is Flex. He's the most fluffiest kitten in the world. He is a boy, and he likes to flex everywhere, so it's just crazy. Look at that cute little face. Okay, one of our kittens just escaped. He's escaping.
What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there?
We catch him again, and this is the mommy kitten. Except for Duke. He came from a different mommy, but she's over there in the woods and stuff.
She's over there. Sorry about this.
And then
It's
Sprinkles
dope.
is trying to escape again. Again, Sprinkles. Oh no, your paw's wet. Oh, we dipped it in the water. Okay, this one is the most cuddliest kitten ever. I mean, she just loves to cuddle.
Sorry guys, I'm shaking. It's very cold out
She
here.
loves to cuddle. She's a little bit wet right now, so that's why she's been yelling and stuff. She's being wet. And she's so super duper soft. I'll reach out again. Oh, the black cat is returning. I think. Oh, Shadow. That one's Shadow.
Yeah,
That
he's
just ran
ran.
away.
Mom is gonna go try and get him.
This one is so super duper fluffy. Look at this.
I wish
And
you
then-
guys could put him right now.
His
He's
face
so
is so cute. Okay, this is Flex. Twix, stop it. Okay, this is Flex. Right here. This is Flex right here. And Duke's sleeping again.
yeah, it's really light.
This
night.
is,
It's like
this is
12:40.
Flex. He loves walking around and stuff. He's a pirate kitty, he thinks. And then Sprinkles right here. She's more of a shorter haired cat. And Sprinkles is super cuddly. And she'll just sit there on your arm like this for hours.
Cut.
And then she won't want to let go because she loves you too much. Okay, Duke is the only kitten we have that is like this coloring.
Focus, Camel.
He's
Focus.
so super duper fluffy. Wait, stop it. Stop it. We don't need any more kittens escaping that we need to catch. Okay, Duke is also a male. Look at his beautiful eyes. No, Flex.
Ah! Don't say hi.
Now kittens are super